So, and here I can actually output the value of these variables to the console. System dot out dot println, and inside the parentheses I can refer to the name of these variables. So remember that I told you about concatenating different variables and texts together. So first I want to output the value of this variable, so I just need to refer to the name of that variable, okay, plus, okay, this operator actually concatenates two or more variables and texts together, okay, and here I can put in a space, and again I use the plus operator here, and then I refer to the name of my second variable, which is hash, and again I put a space, okay, and again I use a plus operator, and then I refer to the name of my third variable, which is free. So now let me comment out this line of code here, and if I run my project now, as you can see, it outputs the value of these free variables that I created here, okay? It outputs the value of these free variables to the console, okay? So that is for character literals, okay? And here I want to show you some examples about special characters that are useful for us, okay? So now I want to actually paste some texts here, and then I'll explain what's going on here, okay? Okay, so as you can see here, we've got some codes on the left hand side here, as you can see, and we've got the meaning of those codes on the right hand side, okay? Now let me give you some real examples in order to make these codes and meanings more meaningful, okay? So for example, here I want to output some results to the console, okay? So first let me comment out this line of code here, and here I just need to type in here system dot out dot println, and then inside the parentheses I just need to put in some values, okay? So here I want to type in hi, this is, and then I want to use one of these codes, for example this code, okay, this /+ n, okay, here /+ n, and then I type in here hi, this is awesome and great, okay, and then at the end of my statement I put a semicolon, okay, and I used one of these codes that we have here, okay, and the meaning of this code is new line. So let's actually run our program and let's see what happens. So as you can see here, hi, this is new line, as you can see, hi, this is new line, okay, awesome and great, okay, so this is new line. We use this code in order to create new lines, okay? So let me show you another example. System.out.println, and then inside the parentheses I just put in some values. For example, this time I want to show another, notice that I don't use a space here, okay, I want to show another example, okay. So what's the meaning of this code here? Okay, this means tab, okay, so let's actually use this code here, show tab, okay, and again another tab, okay. So let's run our program, and as you can see here, I want to show, here is the tab, okay, another tab, okay. So this is how you actually use this code in your program. Okay, the next example is system. So we just need to type in here system.out.println, and then inside the parentheses I just want to type in here, so this is random SPS SDS and good. So now as you can see, I want to use this code, okay, in my example here. Okay, so I just want to use it here in between these two letters M and S. Okay, so /B. Okay, so now let's run my project and see what happens. So this is rand OSDS. So where is M? So as you can see here, this code, this /B is backspace. Okay, it actually deleted this M letter. It works like this. Okay, you press on backspace key on your keyboard. As you can see, the M is deleted. Okay, so when I actually put the this code again here, for example, here after the S letter or after the D letter. Okay, so now let's run our project and see what happens. As you can see, so this is rand OS. So as you can see here, the M is deleted. Okay, and the letter D is deleted here, and the letter S is deleted here. Okay, the next example is about /. Okay, so here I just need to type in system.out.println, and then inside the parentheses I just need to put in some values again. So here I am using /. Okay, so in order to create a /, I just need to put in 2 backward slashes. Okay, and here put some text. So now I need to put in a semicolon, and if I run my project now, as you can see, it actually created this / for me here. Okay, so here I am using /, okay, and this is our / by actually putting 2 backslashes in our text here. And the next example is about single quotation mark. Okay, so system.out.println, and inside the parentheses again I need to put in some values. So he says, for example, he says, and then I use the single quotation mark code here. As you can see, / plus the single quotation mark, and then I type in here some text. For example, for you another thing. Okay, and then again I use the single quotation mark code here, so / and single quotation mark, and at the end of my statement I put in a semicolon. Okay,